गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Children, open your eyes. Sit straight, children. Sit straight in front of your computer. Otherwise, sit straight in front of your mobile. Sit straight, Kana. Yes. Children, first today we are doing one activity. Now Shraddha ma'am will take you one activity. Listen here. Sit straight. Today we are going to first learn about colors name. Rango ke naam. In Hindi, Rango ke naam. Name of the colors. Now Shraddha ma'am is taking the classes. Listen here, children. Okay, sit straight. Shraddha ma'am, please carry on now.
Trisha? Trisha?
Carry on.
My voice?
Yes ma'am, you're audible.
Thank you, Trisha. Jai Gurudev children, happy morning to all. Yes, today I am going to teach you color name. Yes, and Hindi we can call us Rango ke naam. Yes, so get ready everyone. This is a surprise for you. Yes, so today I am going to teach you Rango ke naam. Yes, first, what is this? This is a one talcum powder. You can see. Yes. Can you tell me what is this color upper side? Yes, this is a yellow color. Yes, this is a yellow color and Hindi we can call us पीला रंग. ये कौन सा कलर है? ये है पीला रंग. Next one. What is this? This is a one fevicol. Yes. Can you tell me what is this color upper side? Yes, this is a white color. Yes, this is a white color and we can call it सफेद रंग. ये कौन सा कलर है? ये है सफेद रंग. ये कौन सा रंग है? सफेद रंग. See? Can you tell me what is this color, children? Yes, this is a red color. Yes, this is a red color and Hindi we can call us लाल रंग. ये कौन सा कलर है? यस, ये है लाल रंग. लाल. See? Yeah, what is this? This is a one cream. Can you tell me what is this color? Yes, this is a green color. Yes, this is a green color and Hindi we can call us हरा रंग. ये कौन सा कलर है? यस, ये है हरा रंग. ये कौन सा रंग है? हरा. यस, वेरी नाइस चिल्ड्रन. तानिया, वेरी नाइस. Last one, this is a one comb. You can see this is a one comb. Can you tell me what is this color upper side? Yes, this is a purple color. Yes, this is a purple color. Yes, in Hindi we can call us बैगनी color. ये कौन सा कलर है? ये है बैगनी कलर. फिर से again we will repeat. पीला कलर, सफेद कलर, सफेद रंग, लाल रंग, हरा रंग, बैगनी रंग, पीला रंग, सफेद रंग, लाल रंग, हरा रंग और लास्ट वन बैगनी रंग. See, yellow color in Hindi we can call us पीला color. White color and Hindi we can call us सफेद रंग. Yes, this is a red color and Hindi we can call us लाल रंग. Yes, this is a green color and Hindi we can call us हरा रंग. This is a purple color children and Hindi we can call us बैगनी रंग. Yes, पीला रंग, सफेद रंग, लाल रंग, हरा रंग, बैगनी रंग. Thank you, children. And Jai Gurudev, children. Don't worry, I will teach you next class also, children. So don't worry. Your Tisha ma'am is coming. She is going to teach you vowels. Thank you, children. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, Shraddha ma'am.
Thank you,
Children, Jai
Shraddha.
Gurudev. Okay, ma'am. Okay, children, last class we are recap the letters Hindi vowels, right? So one more time, first we have to recap. After that, today we are going to study words that starts with vowel sound. Vowels, swar. Okay, Hindi vowels. Start with pictures also. We have to the picture. See, children, first we have to recap the letter Hindi vowels. Hindi vowels. Hindi swar. In Hindi we call it as swar. Swar. First letter, children, open your mouth partially. A. 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 Second letter, दूसरा letter क्या है? What is the second letter? Open your mouth widely. A. 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 Third letter, E. E. Choti E. Choti E means small E. Small E. Next, fourth letter. Look at the fourth letter. Fourth one. Body E. Big E. Body E means big E. E. I hope you all are repeating. Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. E. Next, see the second letter, second line. Second line, the first letter, green color one. What is the letter green color? O. O. Choti U. How the baby wolf was howling. O. Choti U. Small O. O. Next, birdie U. Big U. Mother wolf. How the mother wolf was howling. Ooh. Birdie U. Ooh. Ooh. Next one, Ru. Ru. How the Rishi Muni was doing meditation. Ru. 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 Next letter, A. 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 When you are letting some person by saying the letter A. What is the letter, children? A. A. Next one. What is the next one? Next letter, I. 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 Next letter, O. O. Have you surprised? O. What is the letter, children? O. O. Children, when you are repeating again and again, then only easy to learn this letter. Kindly repeat after ma'am, children. I hope you all are repeating, yes? What is the letter? Have you surprised? O. 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 Next letter, Ow. 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 Next one, last line. Look at the last line. Yellow color one. And last letter, swar. In this swar, last letter. What is the last letter in swar? Last letter, aha. Aha. Children, do you know that in swar, what is the first letter? First letter, A. A. And the last letter, look at the last one, last letter, red color one, 2 dots at the right side, see here. Aha. Aha. Can you repeat one more time? Then kindly. Dear parent, kindly mute yourself. A. E. E. U. Ooh. Ru. A. I. O. Ow. Aha. Aha. Okay, children, now today we are going to learn words that start with the vowel sound. See, look at the word, picture and the sound. Listen here, children. Sit straight. Shraddha ma'am, kindly share the PPT, ma'am. today we are going to, what is the first letter, Swar? What is the first one? A. A. Children, open your mouth partially. A. 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 Now we go to the examples with pictures also. That sound will come. A sound will come. Listen here. Only for oral children. Listen here. See. Look at the screen. What picture is this? Pomegranate. What is that? What picture is this? Pomegranate. In Hindi, we call it as anar. A say anar. A for apple, like that. A say. Kindly repeat after ma'am, children. A say anar. A nar. Anar. A nar. Anar. A say anar. Anar means pomegranate. Children, what color is pomegranate? In this picture, what color pomegranate? What color? Yourself. Lal. Dear children, kindly mute yourself. What color is the pomegranate? Yes, pomegranate is a red color. See children, look at this. Look at the screen. Pomegranate is a red color fruit, right? Children, dear children, you could have seen these fruits in all the fruit shops, right? Fruit shops, yes. What is the letter? A. A say anar. A nar. Anar. A say anar. Children, when you are repeating after ma'am, then only easy to learn this letter. Kindly, I hope you all are repeating. Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. A. A say anar. A say anar. Anar means pomegranate. Anar. Next letter, दूसरा letter. What is the next letter? दूसरा अक्षर कौन सा है? दूसरा अक्षर कौन सा है? What is the next letter? A. A. Children, open your mouth widely. A. A say. What is that? What is the picture? Children, look at the picture. What is that? Yes, very good. Means we call it as mango. Mango. Say am. 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 Kindly repeat after ma'am, dear. Say am. Children, what color mango in this picture? In this picture, what color mango? Yes, mango is a yellow color. See, look at the picture. What is the color? Yellow color. Children, do you know that mango is our national fruit? Do you know that mango is our national fruit? Bachcho, ma'am is calling again. Bachcho. Children, what is that meaning? Bachcho means children. Okay, children. Bachcho. Most of you love mango, right? Mango is a very sweet. Mango is very sweet, isn't it? What's the letter? Say am. Am means mango. Am. I want all my kids to repeat after ma'am. Am. Say am. Now third letter. What's third letter? Waiting for the third letter. Yes, what's the third letter? Children, do you know that what letter is this? E. Choti E or badi E. Which E is this? Yes, choti E. Small E. Choti E. See children, choti E. In Hindi, imbali. E say imbali. E say imbali. Imbali, we call it as in English tamarind. Imbali. Imali. Imali. Kindly repeat after ma'am. Imali. Children, how is the taste of tamarind? Children, do you know that how is the taste of tamarind? It is very sour. இதோட டேஸ்ட் புளியோட டேஸ்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ரொம்ப புளிப்பா இருக்கும்ல. அம்மா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? ரசத்தை தான் யூஸ் பண்றாங்கல்ல. How is the taste? Is very sour. E say imbali. E say imbali. 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 Now fourth letter. What is the fourth letter? Body E. Body E means big E. Big E. Body E say eek. E say eek. Children, what is that meaning of eek? Yes, in English, sugar cane. In English, sugar cane. E say eek. Kindly repeat after ma'am, Chalakutis. E say eek. 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 Children, eek in Pongal celebration, what we used to keep in our house? In Pongal celebration, what we used to keep in our house? Do you know that? Yes, we keep sugar cane, right? Sugar cane. We keep sugar cane. It is called in Hindi eek. Eek. We call it as eek. E say eek. 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 Now next letter. What is the next letter? Children, do you know that? What is the next letter? Yes, look at the picture. What picture is this? Look at here. O. Choti O. This letter is Choti O. Small O. Children, what picture is this? Owl. Yes. In Hindi, Ullu. Ullu. Kindly repeat after ma'am, dear. Ullu. U say Ullu. U say Ullu. Children, look at the picture. Do you know that which bird we can see in night? Children, do you know that which bird we can see in night? Night time நம்ம எந்த bird வந்து பார்க்கலாம்? Which bird we can see? Yes, we can see owl. What is the bird? What is the name of the bird? Owl. Owl. Children, look at the picture. It has large eyes and flat face. Look at the picture, children. It has large eyes and flat face. What is the bird name? Owl. In Hindi, Ullu. U say Ullu. See, the sound should come. U. U say Ullu. U say Ullu. Children, when you are repeating after ma'am, then only easy to learn this letter. U say Ullu. The sound also, listen the sound. U say Ullu. 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 I hope you all are repeating, yes? U say Ullu. Next letter. What is the next letter? Birdie U. Now we learn Choti U, right? Now we move to the Birdie U. Birdie U. See, children, Birdie U. What is the picture? Look at the picture. Yes. U say Un. Un. Un means wool. Wool. See, what is the picture? The picture. Wool. In Hindi, Un. 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 See, children, the second letter, the first letter only listen the sound also. The next two letter we will teach you after that. Don't worry, children. First listen to the sound. This is only for oral. Don't worry, children. Ma'am will teach you again and again. Then only easy to learn this letter. Okay? Oo. Oo say oon. Oo say oon. Oon means wool. Wool. Children, during winter season, listen here, children. Look at the screen. During winter season, what we wear? During winter season, what we wear? We wear sweaters, right? What we wear? We wear winter season sweaters. These sweaters are made up of wool. These sweaters are made up of wool. Who say wool? Wool. Who say wool? Wool. Kindly repeat after ma'am, children. Who say wool? Wool. Wool. Next letter. What is the next letter? Ru. Ru. Children, Ru or Ri. Both are correct. Ru say Rishi. Ru say Rishi. Rishi means saint. Saint. Children, Rishi. What Rishi used to do? Children, look at the screen.
Meditation.
What Rishi used to do? Yes, Rishi used to meditate. Rishi used to do meditate. Children, in our school also we used to meditate, right? In our school also we used to meditate. Yes, children. What is the letter? Ru. Ru say Rishi. Rishi means saint. We call it as saint. Saint, Munivar. Ru say Rishi. Rishi. Ru say Rishi. Shall we go to one more time? I hope you all are repeat after ma'am. Okay, children? I know you all are very good children. Repeat after ma'am. Okay, children? Then only easy to learn this sound also. See here, the first letter. Now we go to the first letter. Yes. See, children, look at the screen. Sit straight here. Look at the screen. Say anar. Say anar. Say anar. Kindly repeat after ma'am. Say anar. Next letter. What is the next letter? Open your mouth widely. Say. 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 Next letter. E. E. Choti E. Small E. E say. Imli. E. 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 E say. Imli. E. 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 Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. E say. Imli. E. 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 E say. Imli. E. 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 Next letter. What is the next letter? Choti U. Small U. Small U. U say. Ullu. U. 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 See, children, look at the screen. U. Choti U. U say. Ullu. U. 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 U say. Ullu. U. 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 U say. Ullu. U say. Ullu. U. 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 U say. Ullu. U. 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 Next letter. Badi U. Big U. U say. Un. U. 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 U say. Un. U. 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 U say. Un. Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. U say. Un. U. 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 U say. Un. U. 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 Next letter. What's the next letter? Ru. Ru. Ru say. Rishi. Ru. 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 Ru say. Rishi. Ru. 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 Ru say. Rishi. Ru. 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 Kindly repeat after ma'am. Chalakutis, listen here. Ru say. Rishi. Ru say. Rishi. Ru. 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 Ru say. Rishi. Ru. 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 Children, don't worry. Next class also ma'am will teach you again and again. Then only when we are listening again and again, then only easy to learn this letter, sound and words also. Don't worry, children. Okay, now today we are going to learn a new letter. What is the letter? Ru. Ru say Rishi. First we have to recap the letter A, E, oo, oo. Then after that, we go to the new letter. Only one letter. Today we are going to learn the new letter, ru. Yes, ru letter. Children, I want all of you get ready. Take your pencil and rough note. Take your rough note and pencil, dear. Be ready. Shraddha, my board is visible. Shraddha, ma'am.
Teacher. Yes, teacher, visible.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, dear children, first we have to recap the letter. In Swer, what is the first letter? I know you all know that. What is the first letter? Yes, A. A. First, ma'am is going to recap. Don't write, only look at the board. First, you listen. Then, when we are writing the new letter, now we are going to learn the new letter. Then, I'm saying write it down. Then, only you start writing. Only first, look at the board. Children, don't write. Now, don't write. Listen here. First, we have to recap the letter A. Closed curve. Draw closed curve. Then, draw one more closed curve below it. Sleeping line. Standing line. On the top, sleeping line. What's the letter? A. Say anar. Anar means pomegranate. Say anar. A. A. Next letter, open your mouth widely. A. Say am. Am means mango. Children, first draw closed curve. Draw one more closed curve. This is only for recap, children. Don't write, only look at the board. Sleeping line. The line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. And you have to add one more standing line. And you have to add one more standing line. What is the second letter? A. Say am. Am means mango. Am. Am. Next letter. What is the next letter? Choti E. Small E. Small E. See, children, how to write the small E? First, draw small standing line. Draw small standing line. Then, see children, see, look at the board. Don't write, children. Draw S. Draw S. Small standing line. Then draw S. Draw S. See children, it will go little bit up. And put one circle. Put one circle. And then put a small tail out. Then put a small tail out. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Dear parent, kindly mute yourself. E. E. E say imbali. What is that? Imbali. Imbali means turmeric. Imbali. E say imbali. Next one, what is the fourth letter? Fourth letter, birdie E. This is choti E, right? Now we are going to write the birdie E. Big E. Big E. Children, don't write. Look at the board. I hope you all are look at the seeing the board. Yes. Small standing line. Children, look at the board. Small standing line. Then draw S. Draw S. Draw S. And it will go little bit up and put one circle. It will go little bit up and put one small putty circle. Then see children, put a small tail out. Put a small tail out. On the top, sleeping line. See children, it looks like choti. On the top, you have to add one draw half curve. Draw half curve. See, birdie E. E say eek. E say eek. Eek means sugarcane. E say eek. Next letter. What is the next letter? U. Choti U. Choti U. How to write? Very easy to write this letter. Yes, in previous class, ma'am is teaching you what is how to write Choti U. Yes. First, draw closed curve. Draw closed curve. It's very easy to write this letter. Children, look at here. Look at the board. Closed curve. Then you have to add one more closed curve below it. You have to add one more closed curve. Children, it looks like 3. Number 3. Yes. Now on the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. What is the letter? U. Choti U. Choti means small. Small U. Choti U say ullu. Ullu means owl. Owl. U say ullu. Next letter. What's the next letter? Ooh, birdie. Ooh, big ooh. Next letter. Birdie. Ooh, big. Yes, ma'am.
10 minutes more, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Birdie ooh, big ooh. Children, first draw closed curve. Draw closed curve. Then draw one more closed curve below it. Draw one more closed curve. Draw 3. Children, draw 3. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. See, children, at the right side, you have to add one more. Draw half curve. You have to add one more half curve. Half curve. Birdie ooh. Children, kindly repeat after ma'am. A. E. E. O. Ooh. Now today we are going to learn the new letter. What is the new letter? Ru. Children, now I want you all of you take a rough note and pencil. I'm going to write the first step. Then you also write in your rough note. Otherwise, in your classwork note, take it. Take and write. Okay, children, take your pencil. Be ready. Now today we are going to learn the new letter. Ru. Ru. Ru say Rishi. Rishi means saint. Munivar. Ru say Rishi. See, children, first step, I'm going to write the first step. I hope you all are ready with take your rough note and pencil. Yes. Now we are going to write the first letter, first one. Children, the first step, put one standing line. I want all my kids should write, take your pencil, Gana, take your pencil and rough note. Write the first step, children, draw one standing line. See, first look at the board. Then after that, first listen my instruction. Then after that, you can write. Okay, children. First step, draw standing line. Draw standing line. I hope you all are finished the first step. Yes, it is very easy to write standing line. Now we go to the second step. Yes. See, children, second step. Draw standing line. And draw reverse K. Reverse K. 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 Draw reverse K. In Hindi, ulta. Ulta K. See, children, you already know that normal K how to write, but this is reverse K. Ulta. Reverse K. Draw reverse K. Reverse K. I hope you finish second step also. I know you all are very smart children. Do it faster now. Now, shall we move to the third step? Are you ready, children? We move to the third step. See, children, third step, reverse K. third step, it will go little bit up. It will go little bit up. It will go little bit up. Children, listen, look at the board. Then after that you write. First draw reverse K. Then after that, see the line should go little bit up. Little bit up. And put one circle. Draw small circle. Draw small circle, children. Draw small circle. I hope you all are writing. Yes. Draw small circle. Now we move to the fourth one. Fourth step. Children, first draw standing line. Then draw reverse K. Then the line should go little bit up. The line should go little bit up. Then draw. Put one circle. Put one circle. And say small circle. Put a small circle. Put a circle. Dear parent, kindly text in your chat box. Don't unmute. Small circle. Then see, children, look at the board. Fourth step. Put a small standing line. See, ma'am is adding small standing line. Look at the board. Reverse K. The line should go little bit up and put one circle. See in down. What ma'am is adding? Small. Kutti standing line. Small standing line. You also have to add small standing line. Tanisha, why you are not writing, dear? What happened? Take your pencil and write. Now, we move to the fifth step. Fifth step. Yes, children, listen here. Draw standing line. Draw reverse K. Draw reverse K. And it will go little bit up. It will go little bit up. Up. Then put a small circle. Put a small circle. Put a small circle. Then you have to add small standing line. You have to add small standing line. Small standing line. Then, see children, fifth step, look at the board. Ma'am is adding a small C. Small C. Small C. See children, reverse K and little bit go up. And put one circle. Put one circle and draw small standing line. Then fifth step, what is that? Ma'am is adding. What is that, children? In down, look at the down. Small C. Kutti C. You have to add small C. Small C. Small C. Friend, I want you all of you write. Some of you not writing. What happened after that? After the session, I will want your photo. Send your now you are writing, right? Take one snap and send it to your WhatsApp group. I ask your class teacher. Okay, children? I want you all of them write. Take your pencil and write.
பெரிய ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் போடு லாங் ஸ்டாண்டிங்
Then see the step. Listen here. Yes. Draw standing line. Then draw reverse K. Reverse K. Then it will go little bit up. It will go little bit up. Then put a small circle. Put one small circle. Let's see children to add small standing line. You have to add small. See, look at the board. Small standing line. Small standing line. Then you have to add small C. Small C on the top. Draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Children, I hope you all are finished. First letter A. Second letter A. Third letter E. Fourth letter E. Next O. Ooh. What is the letter? Ru. 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 A. E. E. U. U. Ru. Children, I am writing today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. Yes, 7 letters. I want you also take a rough note and write 7 letters and take one photo and send it to your WhatsApp group. You practice 3 times. Okay, children? Ma'am is teaching again and again. Then only easy to learn this letter. Okay, children? Jai Gurudev. Thank you, children.
முடிஞ்சு போச்சு